full trade breakdown of the trade which I took in GBPUSD today, which hit more than 1:5. So let's start. So this is the monthly time frame which we are looking at right now. The price this month, right from the start, what it has done, it has swept the previous month high and it is retracing back into the range. We've had expansion. So whenever one phase of delivery of price ends, another phase starts, which can be a consolidation, which can be a retracement, which can be a reversal. Anything is possible, right? So we need to read price here, what's happening, and accordingly we decide what to do. So as you can see, if I go to the weekly time frame, this was last week. So we swept previous month high and we came back into the range. So this week I was expecting a bearish move into the dealing range from premium to discount. So this is the dealing range here, right? So this is the high and this is the low. So I was expecting a retracement back to the discount. So how this week has played out, let's see. So this low was the low which was set up in the past week. This is the previous week low. So let me mark this as previous week low, and
it's 1 o'clock.
As you can see, last week what happened, this was Monday. So Tuesday formed the high of the week, sweeping the previous month high. We had a big expansion day on Wednesday, and then Thursday was an inside bar. Friday tapped into the higher time frame PDRA, which is a daily fair value gap, right? So I expected an expansion right on Monday itself. So the Monday expanded, but I have a protocol. I normally don't trade on Mondays. So Monday took the next day's low, and when this day started, I was expecting another expansion leg. Now only thing I had to decide was from where will this day expand, right? So if I am looking for expansion on Tuesday, so all I'm looking for is I'm looking for PDRAs within this range from this high to this low. I'm looking for some resistance areas within this candle, this daily candle, which starts here and ends here. So I'm looking for price to retrace, open up, makes a high, then makes a low. So I'm trying to catch the high of this candle and ride the expansion, because my draw on liquidity or my target is these lows, right? So let's see how this day is played out. So let's go to 15-minute time frame. Okay, so when I woke up, so let me just turn the, yes, so when I woke up, the price was already here, right? And this high that you see here, this is Asia high. These highs are Asia high. So Asia is mostly a consolidation, and I was expecting a run up because we have a PDRA, which is a higher time frame PDRA, which is a new week opening gap. So when price hit this new week opening gap, I was expecting a reversal from here, right? And all I need to do after the price has hit this PDRA, all I need to do is look for signs of reversal at this area. Notice how the price actually came above the weekly opening price and then it reversed, right? So price started here, dipped down, created a range. So above the range highs there is liquidity. So my expectation actually was that the price should go up, attack this liquidity first, sweep this high, and then tumble. So I would have loved to see price come above this high here and then tumble, but when it started tumbling here, I just need to make sure that the price won't return here again. And how I did that, I looked for an SMT. So there was an SMT between this high and this high, and there was an SMT between these two highs. So any SMT here would bring me confidence, right? So what is SMT? I have described very well in our community, right? It is one of the major areas, it is one of the major concepts which I use to pick up trades. So when price reached here, I moved to a lower time frame, a 5-minute time frame, and I started looking for a change in state of delivery, right? So if you see price is pushing up higher, this big candle which pinged in, and once this expansion came, right, once this candle closed below, right, this was an indication for me to enter. So my entry happened right at the close of this candle. My stop loss was placed here because I did not expect price to retrace up again here, and plus this was a breaker, and I wrote this expansion all the way up till here. This was my target. So I hit 1:5 here on this trade. So this is the breakdown, total breakdown. So right from higher time frames to lower time frames, and once the TP was hit, I did not trade the rest of the day. In fact, I could have put my TP here, but I was okay. I cut my entire trade here, and price did not spend any time, did not waste any time retracing or anything. I was expecting a retracement up again in New York and then go back. If the expansion, if retracement would have happened to this level, I would have scaled my entry, but I did not. So this is the total breakdown. So notice few things here. So first, Asia was a consolidation, right? And at 12 a.m. midnight, we get the midnight New York opening price. So whenever I am a seller, I try to sell above this level, right? Every day at 12 a.m. New York time, this level, I mark this level on my chart and I try to be a seller above this. So the price was above this, the price was above the weekly opening price, and notice the time here at which the reversal happened. So mostly in London session, the reversal happens between 2 to 4 a.m., right? And on this candle, if you look below, the time is 3:50, so exact at the right time. So there are two components to my trading. One is time and another one is price. So when time and price both are at the right moment, both coincide, at the right time, price expands at the right time, at the right price. That's when major expansions happen, and this is how I took this trade. So thank you so much, and follow me for more content like this. Thank you so much.